Hey everybody, it's been a while. I'm making some progress. As you can see, I got one of the wings on. By the way, that's my little dog making noise. Huh, Bella? Gotta be in the picture? Little poopy. It's my little Chihuahua Terrier mix. Her name is Bella. Huh, little poopy. And she got a nickname Poopy, you know why, guess. Anyway, what I did when I first got this plane is I made a wing stand, which is over on the other side, which enables me to do the wing attachment and detachment myself. So right now I'm all by myself at the hangar. There's practically nobody here. I think there's some, people going in and out for training and stuff, just doing like touch and goes, but bottom line is I'm by myself, and I'm still able to put this wing on. So, sorry. Yeah. So I'm pretty much done with all my electrical work. I'm done with pretty much everything that I got to do. So basically, I just got to attach the wings and get the engine started and broke in. Run it for however long I got to run it. I got to kind of go through the owner's manual, the Aerolite 103 owner's manual, and find out what the break-in sequence is. But that's next. Once I get these wing sections up, that's done, and then just, we're getting close, and I'm chomping at the bit. I am so excited. So I will keep you updated. I will cut out for now, and then I'll cut back in when I got some more to report. But right now, the right wing is up. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to just check and see if my strobes work and my strobe switch and all that stuff. So we'll see what happens. But till then, I'm going to pause it, and I'll get back to you. Okie dokie, I got the one wing section up. That is my my right side green strobe from Amazon.com. So that's basically what she looks like. Hopefully she's not blinding you too much, but I'm trying to get the best showing of green, but it's kind of difficult. But anyway, that's so far so good. I wired up these things yesterday before I put the wing sections on, and now I'm just doing a test run to see if they work, and they do. So what I got going is these guys right here, and this is the on-off switch. So that's off, on. And this has changed the patterns. Just a click. And that's it. Okay, got one on. Flaps are connected, ailerons are connected. All my struts are connected, the wing struts and the support struts, all connected. So this thing's ready. I'm going to bring you around the other side, and I'll show you that my flaps and my ailerons are connected. Okie dokie. I'll show you, let me get around here. I'll show you my ailerons are connected. That's the ailerons and my flaps. And we're ready, man. Except for we got to get the other side on. So that's the progress so far. Well, occasionally you make a mistake here and there. You know, it's not a major mistake. What I did was I ran the strobe, the wingtip strobe wire through one of the mounting holes in the strut, the trailing edge strut. So now I have to cut the wires, pull the wire out, and then I can attach the wings properly. But I forgot all about that. I just kind of stuck it in a hole to keep it from going anywhere. And I forgot all about it. I did all my soldering and all that stuff yesterday. And then I went to put the sucker in the bracket. It's always something, you know. So I'll cut back in a minute, and hopefully it'll all be done. Hey everyone. It seems to be, with builders, it's always something. The last little clip that I did for you, I told you about one issue, and now I found another one. And unfortunately, the left wing's going to have to be taken away and just moved out of the way for a few. I'll show you why. Pardon the jiggling. Let me see if I can get a better vantage point. I don't know if you can see it, but this post is not supposed to be hitting a tube. That is my starter solenoid, and unfortunately, when I was wrestling with getting my bolt in, here, let me back that off a little bit. I was wrestling with getting my bolt in. I was wondering what the heck was causing it to not go in as easy as the other side did. So as I investigated further, that's when I saw that. So, yeah. So, I'm just going to let this go for the day. I have done a lot of work today, and I know the sun's still out, and as long as the sun's still out, I should keep building, but I am just frustrated right now. And plus, I'm a little exhausted, because like I said, nobody helped me put the wings up, and I put them up myself with my wing rack, which is over yonder. That's the one that I made according to the book. So, yeah, until I get this figured out, I'm just going to cut it off for now, and I'll probably resume this tomorrow. So until then, we'll talk to you soon.